valued and worthy dignitaries, organizing committee members, and respected nursing professionals. Myself, Poonam Thakur, National Treasurer from the Nursing Teachers Association of India and Head of Department at the Academy of Nursing Sciences and Hospital Gwalior, would like to extend my heartfelt welcome to one and all those who are present today over this virtual platform. It's a matter of pride for me to welcome you all on behalf of the Nursing Teachers Association of India as well as Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences and RV College of Nursing, Bengaluru. And foremost, I would like to spread my most sincere thanks to Lord for this opportunity, and I would like to seek blessings before starting with the formal program. So may I request Mr. Chetan sir and RV College staff, and may I request the dignitaries to get present in the auditorium so that we can start our program with the lamp lighting ceremony.
Namaste. Good morning, everybody. It gives me great pleasure to be a part of this program, the international webinar on contemporary practices, advanced nursing practices. It's such a very relevant and apt topic for today's discussion, being organized jointly on the occasion of 25th year Silver Jubilee celebrations of Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, RV College of Nursing, and the Nursing Teachers Association of India. It is a pursuit of Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences and all its affiliated colleges to impart recent and concurrent knowledge for all the faculty members and also the students of RGHS. The faculty needs to be updated with the latest things that are happening around the world, and also the students with this updated knowledge get a better exposure. Congratulate all of you for organizing this program. Which is a series of programs. Nursing faculty has organized several programs this year, and this is one amongst them. And I wish this program all the best. I wish the program all the success. Thank you very much, and I wish you good luck. Thank you.
A pleasant morning to all the respected dignitaries, distinguished guests, faculties, delegates, faculties. We have virtually joined for the international webinar on contemporary advanced nursing practice. I feel honored and privileged having an opportunity to address the gathering. 2020 has been named as the International Year of Midwifery by the World Health Organization. It celebrates both the professionals who provide a broad range of essential health services to the people everywhere, as well as the bicentenary and the birth of Florence Nightingale. Without nursing profession, millions of people around the world will not be able to access the quality, safe and affordable healthcare services. I congratulate the Nursing Teachers Association of India and the RV Nursing College for this organizing international webinar on contemporary advanced nursing practices, which is highly relevant during this COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you for inviting me for this webinar, and I wish a good deliberations throughout the day. Thank you.
Good morning to all the dignitaries, delegates, organizers, and well-wishers to this webinar. At the very outset, I would like to congratulate Dr. Gajendra Singh and his team at RV College of Nursing for joining hands with Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences and the Nursing Teachers Association of India in organizing this international webinar. I am happy and honored to deliver the keynote address at this international webinar on contemporary advances in nursing practices. Nurses are major frontline workers in the healthcare system. Understanding and practicing contemporary nursing is important and poses a challenge to the entire nursing fraternity. It is a challenge to overcome the present threat of the corona pandemic, as this demands advanced care and new rules and regulations with access to advanced technology-based care so as to improve outcomes without compromising the lives of the patients, which again demands dynamic nursing roles. Nurses need to be resilient to face such situations, which has increased use of technology and informatics. The core concepts of contemporary nursing practices are improved autonomy in clinical practice, pioneering professional and clinical leadership to become an expert practitioner and researcher. I'm sure this webinar will definitely help all nurses to move forward to understand advanced nursing practices. I wish the webinar all success. Thank you and good day to all.
And international journals.
Good morning, madam. Myself, Dr. Ramu, Dean Faculty of Nursing, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. The two things, the quality and cost effectiveness of healthcare system have improved. Right? Advanced practice nurses are now comprising largest group of healthcare providers. Right? Advanced nursing practice becoming a profession, no doubt in that, the getting recognition as a valid part of nursing and healthcare services. My request, you try to implement these scientific sessions, right? With this, I'm going to conclude my few brief talk and over to Nursing Teachers Association. Thank you, madam.
Ellarigu namaskara. Good morning, one and all. A great privilege and honor to be the part of this virtual gathering to address few words on contemporary advanced nursing practices and its scenario, especially in India. I am sure that each one gathered here are immensely happy to address ourselves as frontline warriors, and we feel proud for the nurses' contributions in saving millions of lives in COVID war. During this pandemic period, the healthcare system has come across the shortage of skilled critical care nurses with a significant gap of skill set to manage the critical intensive roles of nurses in hospitals. In this regard, for the safety of the patient as well as quality care, definitely there is a felt need of advanced contemporary nursing skills to update and manage today's technologically advanced medical field. So, a nurse, one who is specialized, is in higher demand than one that do not. So, dear participants, kindly take good advantage of this webinar. Also, on this occasion, I would like to extend my wholehearted thanks to Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences for providing us this wonderful platform for knowledge sharing across country, especially on contemporary nursing practices. Thank you. Thank you.
Sciences in Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Good morning, one and all present over here on this virtual platform. Myself, Dr. Farooq Khan. And first of all, I would like to thank God because He has given the opportunity that we have taken the collaboration with Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences and RR College and RB College of Nursing. 4 types of future: probable future, possible future, plausible future, and preferred future. Probable future likely to happen, possible widest range of possibility, and plausible all admirable possibilities, and preferred what we want to come through in our nursing service. Through the CNE, through the webinar, we have to update our knowledge. So, and the next things in the healthcare pattern, new trends, healthcare trends in future nursing is coming day by day. And what are the role of nurse which has been changed? Educator, next researcher, administrator, and practitioner. I can say a nurse is expected as for a future empathetic communicator, highly educated, critical thinking, and abreast of all the important research findings, and accept the responsibility for seeking and using the evidence as a basis for practice. So thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for it's a great opportunity to share my knowledge, experience, and how advanced nurse practitioner to take in future in India.
Good afternoon to everyone who has joined digitally for today's international webinar. And on behalf of 2,100 delegates, I would like to thank all the frontline workers, and I'd like to salute all the frontline workers at this time for taking their untireless work during this pandemic.
Hi everyone, it's a pleasure to be here, and thank you for the introduction. I know I don't know much about how much to tell about, but I've been into nursing for the last 22 years now and worked in different areas, and especially in the last 5 to 6 years, I have been with the emergency nursing, and before that, I have worked in the different departments, and also I've been instructor as well as a nurse educator. I was there working in India as well as here in Canada.
A very good morning from Ireland. So my name is Shobha Rani, and I'm working in Ireland for last 20 years, mostly in the field of mental health education. I have the privilege of being associated with two well-known institutions in Ireland.